Hello student, we are discussing about the transition and inner transition element, and in that part 9 we are discussing about the application of lanthanides. The first application of lanthanide is lanthanides are present inside the color television tubes. Lanthanides are present inside the surface of computer monitor, which are useful to make color images. For example, mixed metals of europium and yttrium, that is UY2O3, releases intense red color when bombarded with high energy electrons. The optoelectronic application is the lanthanide ions are used in luminescent material. Erbium doped fiber amplifiers are significant devices in optical fiber communication systems. Lanthanides are used in hybrid car, superconductors and permanent magnets. Now let us discuss about the actinoids application. Thorium 4 oxide THO2 with 1% CO2 was used as a major source of indoor lighting before incandescent lamps. The another application is that there is a greater demand for these lamps for outer camping. Let us discuss the actinoid properties. Actinoid begins at thorium having atomic number 72 and ends with lawrencium having atomic number 103. Most of these elements, that is actinides, are synthetic, that is they are man-made, not natural in nature. They all are radioactive. They have high densities. The density range is starting from 15 to 20 gram per cm cube. They have high melting point and boiling point. Actinoids are less reactive than lanthanoids. Actinoids react with hot water to give hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Actinoids exhibit a wide range of oxidation state starting from +2 to +8. They experience decrease in atomic and ionic radii from actinum Ac to lawrencium Lw. This property of decrease in atomic and ionic radii from actinum to lawrencium is called as actinoid contraction. Now let us discuss the similarity in the properties of lanthanides and actinides. What kind of similarity is found? First is both these series, lanthanides and actinides, shows +3 oxidation state. Both these series F orbitals are filled gradually. This is the second similarity. The third similarity, ionic radius of elements in both series decreases with increase in atomic number. The electronegativity of all elements in both the series is low and said to be highly reactive. This is the fourth similarity. And the fifth similarity is that the nitrate, perchlorate and sulfate of all the elements in the lanthanides and actinides are soluble, while the hydroxide, fluoride and carbonates are insoluble. Now let us discuss the difference between lanthanides and actinides. This is the most probable question asked in the board exam. So first difference, lanthanides show maximum oxidation state of +4. Actinide shows the oxidation state +3, +4, +5, +6, +7. Lanthanides do not form complexes easily. Okay, this is the second difference. Actinides have greater tendency to form complexes with ligands such as a thioether. Now third difference, all lanthanides are non-radioactive except promethium. Promethium is radioactive, all are non-radioactive. But in case of actinides, all the elements are radioactive in nature. Lanthanides do not form oxoanions. This is the fourth difference. But actinide form oxocations such as UO+, PuO+, NPO2+. Now the last difference between lanthanide and actinide is that most of the lanthanides are colorless in nature, but actinides are color ions. Now let us discuss about the actinoid contraction. The decrease in the atomic and ionic radii as we move, as the atomic number increases, this is called atomic contraction. So here actinum will shows the atomic radii at 203 pm, thorium 180, protoactinum 162, uranium 153, neptunium 150, plutonium 162, americium 173, cerium 174, berkelium 170, californium 186, einsteinium 186, fermium 198, mendelevium 194, nobelium 197 and lawrencium 171. Ionic radii as per will be 126 for actinum, for protoactinum 118, uranium 118 pm, neptunium 116, plutonium 115, americium 114, curium 112, berkelium 110, californium 109, einsteinium 98, fermium 91, mendeleum 90, nobelium 95 and lawrencium 88. So ionic radii goes on decreasing. This is called as a lanthanide contraction. Now let us discuss the electronic configuration. The actinide series starts from 89, ends with lawrencium 103. Actinum will shows the electronic configuration: radon 5F0 6D1 7S2, thorium radon 5F0 6D2 7S2, protoactinum shows radon 5F2 6D1 7S2, uranium shows radon 5F3 6D1 7S2, neptunium shows the electronic configuration Rn 5F1 6D1 7S2, plutonium shows Rn 5F6 6D1 7S2, americium shows radon 5F7 6D0 7S2, curium shows radon 5F7 6D1 7S2, berkelium shows radon 5F9 6D0 7S2, californium shows radon 5F10 6D0 7S2, einsteinium 5F11 6D0 7S2, fermium 5F12 6D0 7S2, mendelevium 5F13 6D0 7S2, nobelium 5F14 6D0 7S2, lawrencium 5F14 6D1 7S2. Let us discuss some comparison between pre-transition lanthanoids and transition metal. Firstly, we will discuss about the pre-transition metal. Essentially, pre-transition metals are monovalent, so they shows the N plus oxidation state. Periodic trend dominated by effective nuclear charge at noble gas configuration. Similar properties along the group we have observed in case of pre-transition metal. They are always hard. No ligand field effect is found for the pre-transition metals. Poor coordination properties found for the pre-transition metal. They have flexibility in geometry and they show no magnetism at all. Now let us discuss about the lanthanides. Lanthanide shows +3 common oxidation state. They show the lanthanide contraction. They show similar in property. All series show similar properties. They are always hard. They show insignificant ligand field effect. They show high coordination number 6 onward. Flexibility in geometry is observed in case of lanthanide and they shows the magnetism. Now about the transition metal. They transition metal show variable oxidation state. Their size changes along the series. Then about the properties, it is that substantial changes in the properties found in transition metal. They are heavier metal About the ligand field effect, we can see substantial ligand field effect is observed in case of transition metal. The coordination number typically is found to be 6, and transition metal, they have fixed geometries and they shows the magnetism. Thank you.